Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to remove watermark from video. Okay, in this tutorial we are going to use the DaVinci Resolve. First, I'm gonna go and open DaVinci Resolve, then go and edit, then go and click on edit menu, then go and right click on the import media section, then click on import media. I'm gonna import this video for example, then I'm gonna click on do not change or change, it doesn't really matter. Then I'm gonna drag the video like so and drag it here. Here I have the video as you can see, and on the top right side I have this watermark. Now what you should do is to click on the color button. Then you should now locate the rectangle or the window option. Click on it and choose whatever you have. I will choose the rectangle because it's gonna fit with this logo or this option that I have right here. And I'm gonna make it fit to the object just like so, and make sure and ensure that it covers the whole watermark that you want to remove. And make sure that you have here the power window selected just like so, power window. And now what you should do is to simply go and click on tracker, then click on track forward. Just get the video from the beginning first, then click on track forward, hit the track forward, and let DaVinci track your watermark. Now what you should do is to go on the top right side, then go and click on effects. So go to the nodes menu, then go to effects and search here for object removal, or click on remove, type remove, then drag this object or this effect and drag it like so. Now go to settings of your object removal, then click on scene analysis. And if you notice this gray rectangle, do not worry. And now click on show clean plate, then click on build clean plate, and voila, here you have it without the watermark. Now when I get back to edit and play the video, I have no watermark. Maybe I made something not that good in the beginning because I'm a beginner, but this is how you can actually do it. You can choose between adaptive blend mode and choose the build clean mode and check if it is going to be better or not. But here you can do it. Then here I have it like so. It is more actually satisfying result, as you can see. When I get back here it is removed, as you can see. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in a new tutorial.